Alright, let's dive into something that's been on my radar lately, and honestly, it's pretty exciting. Did you know an Omani team just competed in the Adobe Global Graphic Design Championship in the US? Yeah, let that sink in for a second. Oman, a country you might not immediately associate with global design competitions, is making waves. And personally, I think this is a massive deal. Not just for Oman, but for the entire conversation around creativity and digital skills in emerging markets. Here's why. First off, let's talk about the team itself. Three students, Sheikha al Yafai, Firas al Nuaimi, and Shahm al Shabibi, made it to the global stage after qualifying through Oman's National Graphic Design Championship. What's fascinating here is the journey. These aren't just random participants. They've gone through Adobe accredited tests, practical projects, and intensive training. And here's where it gets interesting. Their projects focused on nonprofit organizations and community initiatives. This isn't just about designing for the sake of it. It's about using creativity to make a real impact. What this really suggests is that Oman isn't just nurturing design talent. They're fostering a mindset of purpose-driven creativity. That's a game changer. Now let's zoom out for a second. Oman's participation in this global championship isn't just a one-off event. It's part of a larger strategy to build a digital skills ecosystem. Zawan bint Khalfan al-Aqzami, the CEO of Vision and Achievement International, said it herself. This is about developing a new generation of talent equipped with advanced digital skills. But here's what many people don't realize. This isn't just about Oman catching up. It's about Oman carving out its own space in the global creative economy. If you take a step back and think about it, this is a country leveraging its unique cultural perspective to stand out in a crowded field. That's not just impressive, it's inspiring. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. The Adobe Global Championship is a high-stakes event where participants use tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign to solve real-world design challenges. The US took first place this year, followed by Brazil and Malaysia. But here's the thing. Oman's participation isn't about winning. It's about showing up. What makes this really interesting is the signal it sends. It says, we're here, we're capable, and we're ready to compete on a global stage. In my opinion, that's just as important as taking home the trophy. It's about visibility, representation, and challenging the status quo. One detail I find fascinating is the focus on nonprofit and community projects. This isn't just about commercial design. It's about using creativity to solve societal problems. Personally, I think this aligns perfectly with where the design industry is headed. More and more, clients and audiences are demanding work that's not just visually stunning, but also socially impactful. Oman's approach feels ahead of the curve in that sense. It's not just about teaching students how to design. It's about teaching them why they're designing. So what does this all mean? From my perspective, Oman's participation in the Adobe Global Championship is a microcosm of a much larger trend. It's about countries outside the traditional creative hubs, think the US, Europe, or Japan, stepping into the spotlight. It's about recognizing that creativity isn't bound by geography. And it's about the democratization of digital skills, where anyone, anywhere, can compete on a global stage. This raises a deeper question. As the creative economy becomes more global, who gets to define what good design looks like? Is it still the Western-centric standards, or are we moving toward a more diverse, inclusive definition? Here's my closing thought. Oman's journey isn't just about a team competing in a design championship. It's about a country redefining its role in the global creative landscape. It's about talent, purpose, and the power of showing up. So the next time you see a design project from an unexpected corner of the world, don't be surprised. The future of creativity is global, and Oman is proving that loud and clear. What do you think? Is this the start of a new era in design? Or just a blip on the radar? Let me know in the comments, I'm all ears.